Hello. Sarah, can you believe the new year is almost here?
I know. Time goes so fast. Have you made any plans for the new year? Laura.
Yes, I have. First, I want to improve my English, especially speaking and listening.
That's a great goal. I want to improve my English too. I plan to learn at least 5 new words every day.
Nice. I'm also thinking about watching English movies without subtitles.
That sounds challenging, but fun. I want to practice speaking more, maybe by talking with friends in English.
Good idea. I also want to read one English book every month.
Wow, that's impressive. Besides studying, do you have any other plans?
Yes, I want to exercise more and travel to a new place.
Me too. I want to stay healthy and maybe start a new hobby.
The new year feels like a fresh start. I'm so happy about that.
I feel exactly the same. Let's help each other practice English this year.
Deal. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Thanks for watching. Smiling face with smiling eyes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and fun English conversations. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep smiling. Glowing star.